All right, so I'm jumping on here real quick to show you all how to do this pan-seared snapper using the parchment paper method. I did this recently, and I'm gonna tell you, it was the best fish I ever made. Posted it on Twitter. People asked if I could do a video demonstrating how it's done. So, simple things. I'm gonna show you how to do this. I have my snapper here. I already have some green seasoning on it. I just put in some ginger and garlic down into it like this. Fresh ginger, fresh garlic, along with your green seasoning. Can't go wrong. All right, fish ready for the flame. So the rest of this process is literally very straightforward. You just cut your parchment paper, lay it into your pan. You don't want it hanging over the pan because, of course, this is paper, and if it touches the flame, it will burn. I have my flame on medium-high heat. Add in a drizzle of oil. I think some people are under the impression that the parchment paper is a substitute for oil, and it isn't. The parchment paper is literally there just to make sure that the fish doesn't stick to the pan when you're searing it. We lay our fish skin side down into the pan. Have a nice little sizzle going on there. We want that. And yeah, we're just leaving that right there and let that go for about 5 to 6 minutes or so. You'll know when it's ready to flip when you see the flesh of the fish start turning white on the other side. Well, on this side, the top side, then you know it's ready to flip. So leave it alone, let it do its thing. And what I really love about using the parchment paper is because it doesn't stick to the pan, you get a real nice caramelization, real nice crispiness to the skin of the fish if you're cooking filet. So I know, at least for me, sometimes when I'm doing this, I was always be kind of worried about if the skin of the fish gonna stick to the pan or not using enough oil and that kind of thing. So this kind of taking the guesswork out of that. Use the parchment paper, a little drizzle of oil, and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about it at all. This will flip, and you'll get a nice caramelization, nice crispiness in the skin. Perfect, perfect fish. Just gonna turn the fish here. So maybe you could see here how it turns in color, and you would know when it's ready to flip. You could already see it at the sides here. Let's turn it. You could already see at the sides how it's starting to cook to the other side. That means we're getting some nice char, nice caramelization on our fish. Sure of that. So I don't know if you could see this on camera, but the flesh of the fish has turned from pink to white almost 2/3 of the way through. So I know that is a good time now to flip the fish. And as I said, you don't even have to worry about the fish sticking to the pan because the parchment paper does its job quite efficiently. Boom. That is what we're talking about. As you can see here, you have a nice little char on the skin, crispy, well caramelized. Nice real flavor there, proper flavor. We're just gonna let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes tops on the other side, and we're done. Simple as that. That is it there. Boom. Done. Just finishing it with a little bit of lime juice and a drizzle of olive oil. And then some fresh thyme, a little garnish. Yeah, and that is it. Look at that fish. Proper things, look at that. And the best thing about this is, we finish cook, and all we have to do is remove our parchment paper and clean up on this. Gonna be real easy because we now no set of fish bits stuck to the skillet. Easy thing. So trust and believe, this parchment paper hack is well worth it. I mean, you can find parchment paper in the grocery, so don't even fret about it. And yeah, take your fish game to the next level with this. Trust and believe, proper things. So yeah, Like and subscribe all there. Out. See you in the next one.